One of the main way I prepare in advance is to have my masala paste cooked for the week. So this is a combination of a whole lot of onions, garlic and ginger cooked thoroughly and then added the spices in. And by doing that I can have it all prepared, so I'm not cutting onions every day, I'm not chopping garlic and ginger every day. This masala paste has been a lifesaver for me. I use it for my roast chicken, for my peri-peri chicken, chicken wings, meat curry, chicken curry, even fish curry. It does save a lot of time. This masala paste can be frozen, which you can keep for a good few months, or you can keep one tub in the fridge and use it as and when needed.